Okay, so I've made a few advancements since the last video. I worked on the stance and fitment a little bit. Uh, it can probably drop down a little bit. I had the bigger wheels on. You can probably see I changed the wheels. Um, but I can probably bring them down a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but I moved the rear diffuser around a little bit. Actually, I bent these two pieces up so the exhaust pokes up out of the rear, and you can see the diffuser coming out of the bottom of the car. I mirror tinted the windows, and I put this tape up here to keep the top from scratching because I keep flipping it over, and by the time you're done working with all the LEDs, you'll end up with a scratched up roof. So that's what I'm on to now, is the LEDs, and I made something kind of cool I wanted to show. Uh, on the front, I don't know if you remember, I had that masked off, and I went ahead and sprayed it with the clear blue. Now you can look, you really can't see through it. I backed, I backed the white with mirror, and then I backed all this with mirror, and then I backed it all in black. And then I pulled off the mask and I sprayed that with clear blue. The reason why I did that is because I made a light box behind it, and I just cut this out of plastic. I scored some plastic like this. This is the clear Lexan sheet that I got at a hobby store. It's like $10 now. And I just basically cut a box out of it, and if you know how to cut a box, just cut a box. And it's 1 centimeter thick, I believe, deep. And I sprayed mirror with black over that. Then I put this light behind it. This light is called the Lamp. It's made by GT Power. It's pretty cool, and it lights up. It does all these different patterns. So what this does on the hood of the car now, I've got to wire it up. I've got to mount the wires better now. You can kind of see it in the light, but when you turn off the light, you really see it, and it really shines through nicely. And that light does a bunch of different patterns, so that's why I put that light box in there. I don't know if anybody wants to go that far, but this being the Blue Energy car, I kind of wanted to do something cool with it. So the other thing I did, I mirror tinted the windows. I just sprayed mirror and then backed it in black, and I clear coated the tail lights with clear blue, and also the blue logo. I made a little light box for the blue logo, and that actually will fit in here pretty nicely. It's gonna go about like this, and the brake light is right above it. The brake light is right above it, so you get the idea. It fits in there pretty nicely. You'll still be able to see the brake light, and that'll make the Blue Energy logo flash, and then I'll be able to put the tail light buckets in there still, and they'll light up. So that's kind of where I'm at now. I did, like I said, mount the bumper, and there's a little dent here that I don't like, but I'm putting a license plate over it, and it will cover it up pretty nicely, it looks like. Like a boss. I don't know if that's the plate I'm going to use. I'm probably going to make a custom plate for Blue Energy. So that's where I'm at since I left off, and I'm going to keep going with the light kit now. I think that's the last thing I have to do. I need to install the headlights, tail lights, and I'll come back and talk more about that as I'm doing it.